Once upon a time, there was a big tree where lots of birds lived happily. Right below the tree, an old vulture had made its home. The vulture's eyesight was failing, and he was having trouble finding food. This often left him in trouble and feeling quite hungry. The birds went out to search for food early in the morning. The young birds were quite naughty. They were always playing around and having fun throughout the day. The older birds often worried about them, especially when they went out to find food. They knew the little ones needed looking after. One day, the chief myna bird flew down to the vulture.
"Dear vulture,"
she said,
"we have a problem. Our young ones are very naughty and play around all day. We worry about them when we go searching for food. Can you please look after them while we are away?"
The vulture, sitting on a low branch, nodded kindly.
"Don't worry, Mina,"
he reassured her.
"Of course. I will take care of all the young ones and keep a close eye on them in your absence. They will be safe with me."
The myna felt relieved and thanked the vulture warmly before flying back to her flock to share the good news. The birds used to feed the old vulture. In return, it looked after their chicks. One day, a cat happened to come there. His mouth watered at the sight of so many chicks. It was not possible to hunt them in the presence of the vulture. So, he decided to befriend the vulture and made a friendship offer.
"Hey there, vulture,"
the cat meowed, approaching with a friendly flick of its tail.
"I have noticed you are alone under this tree. Can we become friends? Friendship is always a good thing, right?"
"Thanks, cat,"
the vulture said softly. They became friends. Now the cat paid visits every day and quietly gobbled a chick each day. The vulture could not notice it because it had failing eyesight. The birds on return would find a chick or two missing, but they were not sure about it because the chicks were always visiting one another in the nests. One day Mina returned after searching for food. Her heart sank as she couldn't find her chick in the nest. Distressed, she flitted from branch to branch, calling out for her missing little one.
"Where are you?"
she chirped anxiously. Spotting another bird's nest nearby, She hurried over, hoping that her chick might be there. But, alas, it was in vain. Her chick was nowhere to be found. Day by day, similar incidents occurred, as more chicks went missing. The bird community was in a state of worry and confusion. A day came when most of the chicks became meals of the cat. The chief Mina investigated and found the feathers of chicks in the tree hollow down there. She informed the other birds.
The vulture has been eating our chicks. The old thug. The evidence is there in the hollow near where it stands.
The birds attacked and killed the vulture. Moral: trust is valuable, but be wary of those who may take advantage of it.